Think coyotes are just desert dogs? Think again. These wild tricksters outsmart humans every day. Stick around for 3 wild facts that'll blow your mind. First, coyotes have adapted to cities better than most humans. They use crosswalks, wait for traffic lights, and even travel through storm drains to avoid people. Like little 4-legged ninjas. Next, they have over a dozen vocal sounds, howls, yips, growls, and they use them to trick rivals into thinking there's a whole pack. It's audio illusion warfare. And get this, coyotes can survive nearly anywhere, from snowy Canada to Florida beaches. Scientists even found them teaming up with badgers to hunt together. Ultimate predator collab. But there's one thing scientists still can't explain. How coyotes seem to predict human traps before they're even set. Coincidence? Or something else? Hit subscribe before the coyotes figure out how to click it first.